Hello, everyone, and welcome to the session. Today, we will see how to create an ATF script for one of the knowledge management use case. The scenario that I will be automating here is like opening a new knowledge record, validating all the required fields available on the form or not, and then ensuring the version is updated once the record is submitted. Let me show you the scenario manually, and then I will be showing how to automate that using ATF. For this one, let me impersonate one of our user who has knowledge role, and then the user would be selecting create new under the knowledge, then standard selected as the template, and then we will be making sure all the fields displayed on a new knowledge record are available or not, and then we'll be filling up the form, and after saving it, the user will be ensuring if the version is auto populated or not. Okay, let me save the record. And we see that once the form is saved, the version is auto-populated. Now let me end the impersonation and we will be automating this flow using ATF. Okay. First step that I would be doing is like creating a user having a knowledge role. And then I'll be using the step navigate to module, the user to navigate till the knowledge new record. Mm, Yeah, cable underscore knowledge. This is the one to select. And then the next step was to select or click on the standard option. For that, I'll be using the custom UI step. click component. Once the components are retrieved, we will be selecting the options from the available drop down. Okay, now the form has been opened. Next thing is to validate the required field are available on the form. For that one, I'll be using the step under the form category, field state validation. Okay, for this one, let me open of knowledge record parallelly so that we can replicate all the fields. Required fields are like number, knowledge base, category, that is knowledge base, category, and then we have scheduled for publish, valid now, and at the right side, version, article type, workflow, and then source task, attachment link, display attachments. And after that, we had short description and then article body. So the one which we select in visible, system will be validating if all these forms are available on the form or not. And then next thing, if we see certain fields are read-only fields, which are number, version, workflow, source task. Okay, I think we are good for now. After the fields are validated, next thing I would be doing is like filling the mandatory information so that we can submit the form. For that, I'll be using set field values. Okay, when we select it, we select ideas knowledge base. And I would like to fill few other fields like category. And then I'll be using UA action button Save the form. Click on new action. We'll be using the save button. So far we have seen like form has been validated and we have submitted the form. Now the next thing is validating if the version field is populated with the relevant information, which is initial version is like 0.01. For that validation, I'll be using field values validation step. Okay, let me submit the step. Okay, now we are done with the test. Let me run this one and see the execution. As we see, create new is clicked and then the standard option has been selected. Okay, the test has been executed and we see all of the steps are a successful one. Let me go to the result. Okay. The user has been created, navigation is done, and even the form validation has also been completed successfully. Now, this is what we have for this session on this scenario. We will meet back on the next session. Thank you, everyone.